Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. Want to make money online but don't know where to begin? Working from home has made it possible for anyone looking for some extra income to earn from home. There are many ways in which one can make money online. Whether you believe it or not, people do earn a lot of money online. And I will show you how to make money online by reading emails in today's video. You may earn $1,500 in PayPal money just by reading emails. You could change the way your life could look if you had an extra $1,500 per day, and all you need is $1,500 right here right now, no skill or experience necessary, just start earning money today. The best part about this channel is you can just sit back and relax in your home, scroll through your phone, surf the internet, and earn a great deal of money from anywhere in the world. A channel where I teach you how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, and don't forget to like the video if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions. I would like you to go to the following website. It's called Paid to Read Email. Get paid for reading emails online seems simple, right? Yes, it is that simple. This website is an online rewards community that allows you to earn money by reading emails, taking surveys, completing offers, referring friends, etc. For every email you confirm, you will receive payment from this website for earning money online. Follow the instructions in your guaranteed paid email to have your account credited. Note that if your account reaches 0, you won't be credited for reading them. The company offers members the opportunity to earn additional money by taking surveys and completing offers, as well as redeeming their points. You can redeem your points for gift cards or guaranteed paid emails. It is a 3-step process to join and start earning money online by reading emails. You will receive paid emails every single day in your inbox and will be paid for confirming you have read them. The sign-up process is quite simple. All you need to do is provide your first name, primary root email password, and click the sign up button. You can sign up for free and receive daily paid emails by joining. Second, you'll get paid when you confirm that you've read the emails. Finally, you'll get paid every time you confirm that you've read them. They have a quick payment processing process that allows you to get paid within 24 hours and a low 15 payout limit. Sign up for Paid to Read Email now, and you can do so for free once. The moment you sign up and create an account, you'll receive a $3 welcome bonus. You can earn more money with this website by taking daily surveys, earning 50 cents to $1 per survey. You can also refer friends to earn more money online. Refer friends and earn up to 2 levels of commission for you to make even more money. Getting paid from this will require both a PayPal account and an email account. The easiest way to create an account is to either have a Gmail or Yahoo email address. If you don't have one, don't worry, you'll find out how to do it. Just click on the sign up button at PayPal and it's completely free. Just sign up for your personal account. Then, you can create a Gmail or Yahoo account. Simply go to gmail.com or yahoo.com to get started, or you can use the App Store or Google Play Store to download them. Please leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let's return to the website paidtoreademail.com to create your account. Once you've done so, the account will look as follows. As you can see, $3 have been credited as a sign-up bonus. I want you to scroll down and you'll be seeing free ways to be rewarded for your online activities. Why not start getting paid for your opinions? Yes, earn more with your opinions. Earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. I want to click on this button and you'll then be directed to this page. This is what you'll be earning for every completed survey. These are the surveys. In Dinara, you can have unlimited surveys for your opinion surveys and surveys for your business, while in Odetta, you can only complete 10 surveys per day. The more surveys you complete, the more money you make. Make sure that you visit the cash survey section every day to find survey opportunities. Just click on a survey you like and you'll be done in a matter of minutes. Fast, and it's that easy. You can do all this on your own. You can earn 50 cents to $1. The money you earn from completing these surveys will all be credited to your account after you've completed them. Make sure that you take all of the surveys per day to make the most money, especially the Dinata surveys with a limit of 10. It is possible to earn around $5 or more from completing this category by simply taking simple surveys using your phone. And you have unlimited possibilities for any of these categories. Once you have completed all of these cash surveys, you can move on to the cash offers. Visit their 100 free offers section to see how you can make more money. Click on this button to earn more with free offers and you will be taken to this page. This is where you're going to make money from your Daniela surveys, opinion surveys. Lastly, I will now share with you a source of income through which you can make a lot of money online, so pay attention to what I am about to say. This is a way where you can earn money just by reading emails. There are no steps involved except opening the email, reading it and clicking on the photo, so it's important to have an email address. Now you don't need to do anything. You just need to wait 30 seconds on the website and browse the website to make sure you're not a robot during the 30 seconds period. So after 30 seconds, your money will be credited to your account instantly. So simply scroll through the website using your phone or computer, whichever suits you better. Open the email you received and click the button in the photo, which will lead you to a website. For this part, you do not need to do anything, just stay on the website for 30 seconds. It's as simple as that. Once you get to the website, scroll around and move around so that you can make money right away. You can scroll up and down, but any movement will work. To make easy money, you only need to do that. In addition, you can actually make even more money if you join paid to read emails. In order to earn money by referring your friends, you'll be provided with a unique referral link to share with them. Once your friends click on your referral link and join paid to read email, you'll be added to your referral group. Click on more, then select refer friends. Once your friends complete offers, take surveys, and shop online, you can earn money by referring them. This is a passive income source where you can earn 15 of their earnings. You don't have to do anything at all to make money online. Simply tell your friends or friends that you know about this opportunity and you'll get 15 of what they make. Yeah, you don't have to put in much effort for this. Advertise paid to read email on your website and make money without doing anything. It is easier to make money online when you use referral banners for paid to read email. Simply visit the referral banners page, copy the code from the banner you wish to use, and paste that code into the HTML of your site. It is that simple. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Here's to making some money online. Thanks a lot.